This is Stefan from Phillips RV of Bourbonnais, Illinois. I wanted to let you know we do have the 2022 DRV Fullhouse. This is our JX455. Now the color scheme on this is that titanium ridge color scheme, new for 2022. This has tons of amenities on here. It does have the slide toppers on here, as well as that automotive paint. Really nice. You have that dual entry. The back door is for the 12-foot garage in the back. Now you have two awnings on this one as well. You have one right over the garage and there's one right over the main living area. You have two outdoor speakers on here. This does have a power cord reel, and as well as a triple axle, 8,000 pounds per axle. Let's go ahead and take a look in the interior. This does have 3¼ inch sidewall with Asdel, as you can see. And this is the inside of the JX455. You have that nice amenity lighting up top. You have your nice recliner seats over here. And as well as that nice TV with the fireplace. You do have an island countertop with your sink, as well as your 4-burner stove, Insignia appliances, as well as your convection microwave. And you do have that French door residential refrigerator, 25 cubic feet. Tons of space in here. And freezer on the bottom. This also does have a washer for your dishes, a dishwasher. Pulls right on out. Put that there. This also has a washer and dryer. This is located by the front door. Easy access. You got your washer and dryer Splendide. Really nice appliances. Now you do have dimmer switches throughout. You have the valances are hardwood. Those are the nice Phillips upgrade that we come upgraded with. Tons of lights throughout here, as well as you do have your nice flooring heat. This is your 12-foot garage. It does have a nice little door to separate it. On this back here, it does come out to a porch, and these do fold out into a bed, and you have another bed located right above. It goes down on these little chain links. TV in the back here as well, and you have that half bathroom in the back. Tons of space in here. You even have cabinets up at the top, and you have your radio channels and everything on that little touchscreen display. Nice little cabinets above. Really nice throughout. Let's go ahead and up to the master bedroom. You have your nice walk-in shower. Huge shower in here with nice little skylight. Nice little sink. As well as you do have ambient lighting right below. As well as you have that nice little bathroom in here as well. Porcelain toilets, almost like a residential house. And you do have these nice little barn door systems on this side, and as well as you walk into the bathroom to separate from the living quarters, the living area. if you have any questions and wanted to stop on back, if you're back in town, definitely come and see me or give me a call. I can definitely give you some more information on this, Harry. Again, my name is Stefan from Phillips RV of Bourbonnais. Again, thank you, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. And have a wonderful day.